Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pushpak Chirmade, consultant oncologist at MGM Hospital, New Bombay, Vashi, Jupiter Hospital, Thane, and Oncura Cancer Clinics, Navi Mumbai. September is the World Prostate Cancer Awareness Month, and hence, let's see a little detail about prostate cancer. Prostate cancer occurs in the prostate, which is a small walnut-shaped gland in males that produces the seminal fluid and nourishes the sperms. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men. Usually, it is confined to the prostate initially. However, in some cases, it may extend beyond the prostate to involve the neighboring tissues and can cause a lot of symptoms. Prostate cancer that is detected early, that is when it is still confined to the prostate gland, has a better chance of successful treatment. Symptoms of prostate cancer. Prostate cancer may cause no signs or symptoms in its early stage. Prostate cancer that is more advanced may cause signs and symptoms like trouble urinating, decreased force or steam of the urine, blood in the semen, discomfort in the pelvic area, bone pain, and erectile dysfunction. What are the causes of prostate cancer? It is not clear what causes prostate cancer. Doctors know that prostate cancer begins when some cells in the prostate become abnormal. Mutations in the abnormal cell's DNA cause the cells to grow and divide rapidly than the normal cells. The abnormal cells continue living, whereas the other normal cells die. The accumulating abnormal cells form a tumor that can grow to invade a nearby tissue and can cause various symptoms. Some of the abnormal cells can break off and spread through blood and lymphatics into other parts of the body, and this is known as metastatic prostate cancer. What are risk factors of prostate cancer? Factors that can increase your risk of prostate cancer are higher age. Your risk of prostate cancer increases as you age. Race. For reasons not yet determined, men of African lineage carry a greater risk of prostate cancer than the other men. Family history of prostate cancer. If men in your family have had prostate cancer, your risk may also be increased. Also, if you have a family history of genes that increase the risk of breast cancer, that is BRCA1, BRCA2, or a very strong family history of breast cancer, your risk of prostate cancer may also be high. Obesity. Obese men diagnosed with prostate cancer may be more likely to have advanced disease that is more difficult to treat. What are complications of prostate cancer? 1. The cancer can spread. As we see that the early cancer can be limited to the prostate gland. However, it may involve the neighboring organs and it may, through the blood and the lymphatics, spread into various other organs, causing what we call as metastasis. Prostate cancer may lead to incontinence also, and this is not only because of the disease, but certain procedures or treatments given can also lead to difficulty in controlling your urine. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is also one of the complications of prostate cancer. How can you prevent prostate cancer? You can reduce the risk of prostate cancer if you choose a diet full of fruits and vegetables. Avoid high-fat foods, instead focus on choosing variety of fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Fruits and vegetables contain vitamins and nutrients that can contribute to your health. Healthy foods over supplements. Exercise most days of the week. Exercise improves your overall health, helps to maintain your weight and improves your mood. Some evidence show that men who don't exercise have a higher PSA levels, while men who exercise have lower risk of prostate cancer.